Today we're testing the RedTiger F77, a dual 4K front and rear dash camera with HDR Night Vision, GPS, and Wi-Fi app control. Let's see how it performs in real world, day and night.
One of our channel sponsors, RedTiger, reached out and they wanted me to review their F77 dash camera, which I'm really excited about this. I don't know if you guys happen to recall, but here on the X5, a few months back, I installed a single channel VOFO dash cam, but I really want the dual channel. I want to be able to protect my investment. I want a front and rear facing camera, and I believe this RedTiger camera is going to do just that. It is a dual 4K camera, so you have 4K front and rear. They've got the Sony Starvis 2 chips in them, so they give you some great picture quality. So we're gonna start doing an unboxing of this dash cam. I'm gonna turn the camera around and we'll get started. Our new RedTiger camera, like I said, 4K dual ultra clear camera, 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So that's going to give you the best upload speeds for your videos. You definitely want to make sure you download the RedTiger app so that you can actually download videos and communicate with the camera. It also gives you the ability to go through your settings. You can do settings on the back of the camera, but you also could do some of those settings throughout the app as well too. All right, so that looks really nice and clean. So you can see there's a big 4-inch display here. Still got our little cover on there. We're going to leave that there for a while. As you can see, we have our input for our power as well as the rear camera right here. There we go. Okay, rear camera is small and compact. Of course, we've got a little swivel there to be able to adjust the angle of our camera. Everything looks nice and clean here. There's the port for the Type-C for plugging it in. And it's just pretty basic there. But again, 4K camera for the rear. Really excited about that. Tiger always gives me a hardwire kit. You can see there's also a tool in there. There's fuse jumpers. So this allows you, and there's also a module which we actually showcased on the other video from RedTiger. This is a power module that allows you to cut off voltage drain on your car so that you're not draining the battery. Our first steps now are to remove the old single channel VOFO. It's a solid camera, but it just doesn't give you the rear coverage that I'm looking for. Now, installing the F77 was straightforward. You're just going to find the best location on the front windshield and mount your front unit. Then you've got to go through and run your cable along your headliner to the rear glass where you want to mount that rear camera. Now, with the dual channel setup, I can now cover both directions for the front of the car and the rear of the car, and I've tucked all my wiring back in this paneling here. And now with all of our wiring complete, our last step is connect power, and then we can get into the camera and start adjusting our settings. Okay, so what you see here is you've got your front camera here, and then up in the corner is my back camera. Okay, let's see here. Let's go to settings, and you can see all of your settings there for resolution. We are currently on 4K front and back, so we like to keep it that way. You've got loop recording. Let's see what we're at there. So we're gonna do it we'll go with 3-minute intervals. And then voice control. So one really cool feature here is you can actually you can use voice control to actually capture images or whatever you decide. So we can leave, let's go to voice command. So this gives you the different voice commands. So if you say, turn on Wi-Fi, it will do it. Turn on recording, look at videos, all that fun stuff. So you'll want to familiarize yourself with that. So we will leave voice command on. Let's keep going here. There we go. You can see the additional images, the additional options there. GPS, date, time, speed stamp, all that fun stuff. So yeah, we can play with all of these different options. I'm actually, let's see here. This is for parking mode. I'm not going to worry about parking mode at the moment. So we're just going to go back and we'll look at our images. So really excited about this. Let's get you guys some footage of these 4K cameras. So the first thing that I noticed when I switched from the old single channel setup is just how much more context you get with dual cameras.
At dawn, the F77 handles the tricky mix of low light and headlights without blowing out the details, both in front of me and behind. With the VFO, of course, I had no record of what was happening in the rear view. Now, even in low light, license plates are visible in both directions. So this is a really, really nice upgrade. And even at dawn, when lighting can fool a lot of cameras, the F77 keeps plates clear. Here we're zooming in at the front and you can still make them out without any blur. Now in the daylight, you really see the benefit of the high resolution dual setup. The F77's 4K front camera captures incredible detail, while the rear channel makes it easy to see exactly how the drivers are behaving behind me. It's this kind of protection that only becomes obvious when you've been in a close call. And I've had more than a few where the rear view would have really told the full story. And as you can imagine, in the daylight, it's just the next level of detail. That 4K front camera has crystal clear details to the license plates. Night footage is where cheaper cameras often fall apart. The F77's night vision processing keeps street signs and plates readable without overexposing bright lights. And from the rear, same story. Headlights don't wash out the image, so you can still identify vehicles. This is exactly why I upgraded. My old single channel left me blind to what was happening behind me after dark. Now I've got a complete coverage 24/7 and I don't have to worry. And as you can see, even in darkness, you still get a good image of license plates. And with the RedTiger hardwiring kit, even when your car's off, the F77 keeps watch. With 24/7 parking mode, it records the instant it detects motion or impact, front or rear, giving you proof when you're not there.
So guys, as you can see from the video, this is definitely one that you need to add to your research list because this is a very good camera. If you're looking for a 4K camera, front and rear, you've got GPS, voice control, touchscreen. It's very nice quality. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna put a link into this product in the video description. There will also be a discount code, so don't forget to use that as well too. So anyone that's new to the channel, thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I want to keep trying to bring this content for you guys, as well as a special thanks to RedTiger for sending out another dash cam for us to review. Other than that, everyone be safe. We'll catch you guys in the next video.